Welcome to our guide on the new M3 MacBook Pro. This video will help you understand if it's the right choice for you. Apple has recently rolled out its new MacBook Pro models, armed with the M3, M3 Pro, and M3 Max chips. These models are available in two sizes, the 14-inch and the 16-inch. The 14-inch MacBook Pro with the standard M3 chip starts at a cool $1,599, replacing the previous 13-inch M2 model. If you're looking for something more potent, the 14-inch MacBook Pro with M3 Pro and M3 Max chips starts at $1,999. For those who prefer a larger screen, the 16-inch model starts at $2,499. But before you rush off to make a purchase, it's crucial to understand if these new models are a significant upgrade from what you currently have. So, how does the new M3 MacBook Pro stack up against the previous models? Let's dive right into the comparison, shall we? When we look at the new M3 MacBook Pro models, a few things stand out. These models primarily focus on performance improvements and minor upgrades over the 2021 and early 2023 models. The heart of these improvements lies in the new M3, M3 Pro, and M3 Max chips. They offer a significant boost in performance, making your tasks run smoother and faster than ever before. If you're a power user, you'll definitely appreciate this bump in performance. Now let's talk about the 14-inch MacBook Pro with the M3 chip. This model replaces the previous 13-inch MacBook Pro. The extra inch might not seem like a big deal, but it provides more screen real estate, which can significantly improve your productivity and overall user experience. Beyond the size, the 14-inch M3 MacBook Pro offers substantial upgrades over its predecessor. One of the standout features is the redesigned GPU. It takes graphic performance to a whole new level, which is great news for gamers and professionals who rely heavily on graphic-intensive tasks. Additionally, the new model introduces hardware-accelerated ray tracing, a feature that was not present in the previous models. Of course, these upgrades come with a price. The 14-inch MacBook Pro with the M3 chip starts at $1,599. This is a noticeable jump from the previous models. However, it's important to keep in mind that you're not just paying for a new chip or a bigger screen. You're investing in a machine that is more powerful, efficient, and future-proof. As you can see, there are some significant upgrades, but whether they're worth it largely depends on your specific needs. Now, let's delve deeper into whether upgrading from a 2021 or early 2023 model to the new M3 MacBook Pro is worth it. The new M3 MacBook Pro has certainly caused a stir with its impressive features and performance improvements, but does that mean it's an automatic upgrade for everyone? Not necessarily. It's important to remember that the previous models, particularly those from 2021 and early 2023, are still quite competitive, especially if you consider their significantly reduced prices. So, what are the factors that could make upgrading worth it? Well, one of the key factors is your need for specific features. For instance, the new M3 MacBook Pro boasts a redesigned GPU and hardware-accelerated ray tracing. These advancements could be a game changer for those in the creative and technical fields who require high-performance graphics. So if your work or passion involves heavy graphics processing, upgrading could be a wise move. But what about the rest of us? Is it worth upgrading if you're just using your MacBook for everyday tasks like browsing the web or working with documents? Well, that's where the concept of future-proofing comes in. The new MacBook Pro offers substantial upgrades that could keep your machine running smoothly for years to come. It's more of an investment for the future rather than a need for immediate performance improvement. However, we mustn't forget the budget factor. The new M3 MacBook Pro is pricier than its predecessors. If you're on a tight budget, you might want to consider sticking with your current model or opting for a discounted previous model. They're still quite capable machines that can handle most tasks with ease. Ultimately, the decision to upgrade depends on your individual requirements and budget. It's about balancing your needs, your wants, and your wallet. So take some time to reflect on what you really need from your MacBook and make the decision that's best for you. To sum up, the new M3 MacBook Pro offers some notable improvements over previous models, but whether it's worth the upgrade depends on your specific needs. This powerhouse of a laptop, with its M3, M3 Pro, and M3 Max chips is a marvel of technology, offering performance upgrades that could be a game changer for many. However, it's essential to remember that the previous generation models, like the 2021 and early 2023 models, still hold their own, especially at their significantly reduced prices. The decision to upgrade hinges on your performance requirements and your budget. If you're after the latest and greatest, with features like a redesigned GPU and hardware-accelerated ray tracing, the M3 MacBook Pro is definitely worth considering. But if you're content with the performance of earlier models and looking to save some cash, there's still fantastic options. Thank you for watching our guide on the new M3 MacBook Pro. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more informative content.